Hello again and welcome to another Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at the words another and other. For example, we use another with a singular noun. For example, would you like another drink? Or let's go to another restaurant this time. Another. We don't use another with plural nouns. You can't say, would you like another drinks? Or let's go to another restaurants. You can't use another with plural nouns, but you can with singular nouns. Would you like another example? Okay, let's look at the word other. You can use other with plural nouns to give the meaning of extra ones, more than one. For example, the other hotels were very expensive. You can also use other with a singular noun. For example, one of my brothers lives in England. The other lives in Australia. So there we are. English grammar, another and other. It's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.